Behind me, this is Brunswick Street. Brunswick Street is one of the busiest streets in Fredericton. There's Brunswick. Behind me, it's King Street. The other one after is Queen Street. So these are the main goal, the main anchor of the city of Fredericton. Now, the idiot mayor, Michael Bryan, has decided to ordering no delivery truck like Fredericton, the other one, Midland, and UPS, and other private delivery people, the government. If you have a business on Brunswick Street, you are not allowed to stop on the street to deliver a package. So that means the business, the business on Brunswick Street is all over. It's kaput. They should go bankrupt pretty soon because they can't get their package in their office. As for the restaurant, you're not allowed to park on the street to deliver the food. I believe the only way to do it is have the Victory Meat Market. They have a little trolley so they could pull it on the sidewalk and deliver the food to the restaurant. So here we go again. Hi. Hello. How's your health? Good? Good. Yeah. Anyway, fans. So the problem is, why is that idiot mayor, Michael Bryan, wants to destroy downtown Fredericton? And if he really wants to eliminate downtown Fredericton, get rid of Bruce McCormick. There's a big start.